Are you searching for the best gardening tools? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best gardening tools in 2025, which save you time and money. Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2, it's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 5. Teeth Iron Gardening Hoe Weeding Rake Farm Tool. Features: work with ease. This carbon steel garden hand rake is perfect for cleaning debris without damaging plant feeder roots. It can be inserted into many kinds of soil and is very helpful for dead hatching a stubborn yard. This durable rake is made of high-quality carbon steel, which is lightweight, anti-rust, and durable. It can be used together with a rod that perfectly suits you, making your weeding easier and more efficient. Premium quality. This carbon steel garden hand rake is made of carbon steel material, which is solid, sturdy, and heavy-duty. Besides, it features extremely sharp tines, which support a long time of usage. This rake is ideal for landscaping, cultivating, and weeding. Easy to use. With a simple design, this carbon steel garden hand rake can be easily used for gardening, weeding, dead hatching, aerating the soil, and other outdoor garden activities. Wide applications. With sharp tines, this carbon steel garden hand rake can be widely used for yard weeding, soil loosening, seed sowing, soil flattening, or soil ditching. The unique design allows you to easily detach the rake head, making it convenient for storage, transportation, and switching between different rake heads to suit your gardening needs. Great gift. This carbon steel garden weeding rake can be used for various agriculture gardening activities. It is a great gift for family and friends, especially landscapers and garden lovers, etc.